Welcome back to Next Gen World, where we explore cutting-edge technology and futuristic innovations from around the globe. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile and sophisticated fighter jets in the world, a true symbol of French aerospace excellence, the Dassault Rafale. This multi-role combat aircraft isn't just a fighter, it's a complete air dominance platform. Designed and built by Dassault Aviation, the Rafale has proven itself not only in the skies of France but in various combat zones around the world. It's fast, agile, incredibly intelligent, and deadly. But what makes the Rafale stand out in a world dominated by American F-35s and Russian Su-57s? Let's find out. France needed a jet that could do everything: air superiority, ground attack, reconnaissance, nuclear deterrence, and carrier operations, all in one package. Instead of building multiple specialized jets, France went all in on a do-it-all solution. Enter the Rafale. Its name means gust of wind or burst of fire in French, and it lives up to both. The Rafale is powered by two Snecma M88 engines, delivering a top speed of Mach 1.8 and a combat range of over 1,800 kilometers without refueling. It's capable of supercruise, that means it can fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners, making it more fuel efficient and stealthier. And speaking of stealth, while it isn't a stealth jet like the F-35, the Rafale features a reduced radar cross-section through smart design and radar-absorbing materials. What really makes it special is its adaptability. The Rafale can carry out multiple missions during a single flight, like taking off from an aircraft carrier, launching precision-guided missiles, engaging enemy fighters, and returning with surveillance data. And yes, it can land back on a carrier with pinpoint accuracy. Its cockpit is like something out of a sci-fi movie: a glass cockpit with a wide-angle holographic head-up display, voice commands, hands-on throttle and stick controls, and a helmet-mounted display system. The pilot doesn't just fly the jet, they command a high-speed, high-tech battle system. The Rafale's brain is the B2AA radar, an active electronically scanned array radar that can track up to 40 targets simultaneously and engage multiple threats at once. Combine that with the Spectra electronic warfare system, a self-defense suite that detects, identifies, and jams threats autonomously, and you have one of the most survivable jets in modern combat. Weapons? Oh, it's loaded. The Rafale can carry a vast array of munitions, including Mica and Meteor air-to-air missiles, Scalp cruise missiles, AIM-39 anti-ship missiles, laser-guided bombs, and even the ASMPA nuclear missile. It can carry up to 9.5 tons of external weapons and fuel tanks across 14 hardpoints. In short, if there's a target, the Rafale has a way to destroy it. But this jet isn't just a theory, it's seen action. The Rafale has proven itself in Afghanistan, Libya, Mali, Iraq, and Syria. French forces have used it for everything from close air support to deep strike missions and reconnaissance. It's also been exported to countries like India, Egypt, Qatar, and Greece, with others lining up to buy. India, for instance, signed a major deal for 36 Rafales in 2016 and has already deployed them along strategic borders. Indian pilots and defense officials have praised the jet for its agility, weaponry, and adaptability, especially in high-altitude warfare. In fact, the Rafale has significantly boosted India's air power posture in the region. Unlike some jets that are limited to just land or just sea operations, the Rafale can operate from both, making it a true unmatched fighter. The Rafale AM variant is specifically designed for aircraft carriers. It's rugged, tough, and built to handle the stress of catapult launches and arrested landings on the deck of a moving ship in the middle of the ocean. Its maintenance is another area where it shines. The Rafale is designed for ease of service with modular components, advanced diagnostics, and a focus on minimizing downtime. This keeps operating costs relatively lower and ensures high availability during missions. Now let's talk about cost. It isn't cheap. Each Rafale costs around $100 million depending on configuration, training, support, and weapons. But when you consider what it brings to the table, a single platform capable of executing multiple high-risk missions with precision, it offers solid value to air forces looking for operational flexibility and long-term capability. Another thing worth mentioning is Dassault's commitment to continuous improvement. The Rafale has been steadily upgraded with better avionics, more powerful engines, and enhanced weapon systems. Future upgrades include even more advanced radars, eye-assisted combat systems, and potential integration with drone swarms. France is also developing the Future Combat Air System (FCAS) with Germany and Spain a next-gen fighter program but the Rafale will continue to serve as the backbone of French air power well into the 2040s and maybe beyond. So, is the Rafale the best fighter jet in the world? That depends on what you're looking for. If you want a stealth specialist, maybe the F-35 takes the lead. If you want raw power and speed, the Su-57 might impress. But if you want an all-rounder, something that can fight, strike, scout, and survive on land or sea, the Rafale is hard to beat. It's not just a fighter jet, it's a flying symbol of French technological ambition, independence, and military excellence. Whether it's soaring above the Alps, operating from a carrier in the Mediterranean, or flying high over desert battlefields, the Rafale continues to prove its worth. Thanks for watching today's episode on Next Gen World. If you enjoyed learning about the Dassault Rafale, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more future-focused content, and let us know in the comments which fighter jet do you think is the most powerful in the world today. Until next time, fly high, stay curious, and keep exploring the future.